Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set up sound enhancements on your TCL 43C61B TV. First of all, you're gonna have to press the gear button on your remote control and then select the gear icon on your screen to open settings. After that, we're gonna have to go to display and sound settings, select sound, and here we can of course select the sound mode, but this is not exactly an enhancement. If you want to access the sound enhancements, first of all look inside sound customization, where you can adjust the surround virtualizer of your sound to make your sound more ambient and immersive. Then you can also set up the bass enhancer if you're listening to music, dialogue enhancer if you cannot hear dialogues in your movies, and the definition, which enriches high frequency details. Besides, also check the audio processing menu, where you can select one of the available technology. In this case we have two of them. We have both Dolby Atmos and we also have the DTS Virtual X technology. So just select the one that you like more and go with it, or you can select auto and let TV decide for you. Of course you can also disable them by selecting off. And yeah, in this Acoustics Laboratory, despite very misleading title of the menu, we only have the volume control, which is the default feature, which basically keeps your volume at the same level no matter the source or the channel. And in other settings we have simply access to other sound settings. One important thing here is the TV placement. Make sure that the TV placement you have selected here is the way that your TV is placed on your wall or on your table. And we can also reduce background noise using this feature. However, it will most probably distort the sound. And we can also balance the speakers of the TV using this slider. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel. Leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.